Everyone says be patient, but what does that really mean in trading? And how do you actually develop patience, especially when the market is moving too fast and you just want to do something? My name is Magda and I'm a performance coach here at FTMO. In today's video, we're breaking down what patience in trading really means and how you can actually build it. Patience is one of the most powerful psychological edges a trader can have. It's the ability to wait for the right setup, not just any setup. It means choosing long-term consistency over instant gratification. Because here's the truth. Trading rewards patience and punishes impulsivity. You can have a great system, but if you don't have the patience to wait for your signals or let your trades play out, that edge disappears. Many traders close their positions too early, not because the market didn't offer more, but because they lacked the patience to let the winners run. So patience isn't just about waiting, it's about enduring the wait without losing your focus, discipline, or trust in your plan. So, what patience looks like in practice? Patience in trading shows up in 3 key ways. It's waiting for the setup. You don't chase the market or force trades just because you're bored. You wait for your plan to give a clear signal. Then it's waiting in the trade. Once you're in, you let the market do its work. You don't snatch profits too early or close positions out of fear. And then it's waiting for progress. When you know consistency and confidence are built over many trades, not just one. Patience also helps you avoid trading when conditions aren't right, which ironically is one of the hardest skills to learn. But here are a few tips to help you build it. Have clear rules. Uncertainty fuels impatience. The clearer your system, the easier it is to wait. Because you're not waiting aimlessly, you're actually waiting with purpose. Then use tools like stop losses and limits. Good risk management supports patience. For example, a trailing stop loss lets you lock profits while you still let the trade breathe, and it removes emotional interference. Journal your impulses. Every time you feel the urge to enter or exit early, write it down. Ask yourself, what emotion is behind this? Is it fear, boredom, FOMO? And reframe waiting as action. Doing nothing is not nothing. Waiting patiently is an active decision that protects your capital and preserves your edge. Patience is deeply connected to emotional regulation. Impatience often comes from the emotional part of our mind that craves that excitement, control, and instant gratification. What psychologists call the child ego state. It's that inner voice saying, I have to do something, I can't just wait. But effective trading requires the adult ego state, the rational part that tolerates uncertainty and makes decisions based on probabilities, not emotions. Developing patience isn't about suppressing feelings. It's about training yourself to respond from that calm, rational mindset where waiting becomes part of your edge. So, building patience in trading means trusting your system to deliver opportunities instead of chasing them, letting trades play out instead of cutting them short, and seeing waiting as part of the process, not as wasted time. When you combine patience with discipline, you protect yourself from the big trading mistakes, like rushing into trades, exiting too early, and overtrading. So, here's my challenge for you this week. Write down one situation where impatience cost you a good trade, and what you will do differently next time. Then, write one where patience paid off, and keep that list visible. It will remind you that patience is a skill, and the more you practice it, the stronger it gets. And let me know, what's the hardest part of staying patient in trading for you? Drop it in the comments and let's talk about it.